in this video, I will be showing you how to get your own AI on Snapchat. So the very first thing to do is to go to your Google Play Store and then install Snapchat. Now, if you have installed this application, then what you want to do is to simply update this and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now go to Messages, and then here at the very top, you will see My AI option or feature. So what you want to do here is to simply open, and here it is. Okay, so you can start asking question, and Snapchat My AI will try his best to answer you. But of course, if you want to know if it's accurate or not, I cannot answer that. Okay, so you can ask anything here. For example, he is the most beautiful woman. So of course, once done, press enter or send, and Snapchat My AI will answer you. So this is the example answer from Snapchat My AI. You can ask more if you want. So as you can see here, I ask Snapchat My AI who is the richest person, and his answer is the owner of Amazon. Okay, so actually you can go to other site to make another research or to see if this one's accurate, but this is based on Snapchat My AI. Okay, and if you tap this profile icon here at the top left corner, you will see there's some options like My Bio or Friendships. And then you can tap these three dots to make some changes like we have here manage friendship, avatar settings, chat settings, story settings, privacy, location, and so on. Okay, so feel free to modify or change your setting. Okay, now what if you don't have this feature? What you want to do is just simply go to need help. Okay, just go to your settings and look for I need help. Tap this one. And then below you will see there My AI. So what you want to do is to click this My AI. And then once you tap this My AI, you will see here some sample questions. You can go directly to how do I access my AI on Snapchat. And here you will see this answer. uh, Features are rolling out slowly and may not be available to you or to your location. So what you want to do is just simply wait till this feature is available to your country or location, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.